Hi, I'm Ammu. This is my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe called Godhumai Halwa, which is also called Wheat Halwa. This is very healthy and tastes delicious. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 1.5 cup wheat berries. Wash and soak the wheat berries overnight. Drain the water. Grind it with half a cup water smoothly. Filter it using a large metal strainer. Next, add half a glass of coconut milk. Now we collected coconut milk and wheat milk. Now add half cup of water. In a heavy bottom vessel, add collected milk. Keep the flame on low and stir continuously. Stir continuously. If lumps forms, smash it with spatula. After 15 to 20 minutes, it will reach porridge consistency. At this stage, add jaggery syrup. Keep mixing. It will turn again soft and sticky. Add cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Keep mixing. Never put the flame in high, do in medium flame always. Keep stirring the whole process. The texture will be too soft. Now it's time to turn off the flame. Spread it over a greased plate and let it cool down for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can cut into pieces and serve them. And yes, that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more interesting beauty hacks and delicious homemade recipes.